Did they? They'll come back. Do you like the snow?
Yeah. I like when it's still here.
And let's go a little further out here. Let's walk around a little bit so that we can see the snow on stuff. Go over by the table and the flowers there. Beautiful snowstorm. I wonder if you can actually see the snow on this video.
Look it.
What? Yeah. Go over by the grass.
Why?
So we can see the snow collecting on the grass and stuff over there. See if you can make a snowball.
I can't. I don't know how.
Okay. I don't think there's enough snow anyway.